The Himiway A7 is a versatile commuter e-bike designed to deliver a balanced mix of performance, comfort, and practicality for both urban commuting and recreational weekend rides. Powered by a 48-volt, 500-watt brushless rear hub motor producing 60 Nm of torque, the bike provides smooth acceleration and reliable pedal assistance across different riding conditions, including flat city streets and moderate hills. Its UL2271 certified 48-volt, 15-ampere-hour battery offers an impressive riding range of approximately 65 to 80 miles per charge, making it suitable for long daily commutes without frequent recharging. The bike is built with a durable aluminum full suspension frame that enhances rider comfort and stability on rough roads and uneven terrain. The suspension system includes 120 mm of front travel and 90 mm of rear travel, helping absorb shocks and improve overall ride quality. Combining strong battery performance, efficient motor power, and a comfortable suspension setup, the Himiway A7 is well suited for riders seeking a dependable and adaptable e-bike capable of handling both city transportation and leisure cycling adventures.